Guys, have you ever wished you could charge all your Apple devices and connect your laptop to a monitor, all with one gadget? I mean, imagine never having to carry a tangle of cables and chargers again. What if your charger could also double as a USB hub for your laptop and even fit in your pocket? Well, today we're looking at something that might just change the way you travel, work and charge your devices. This is the Benfei 3-in-1 foldable magnetic charger stand with USB hub. It's for your iPhone 12 and above, Apple Watch and AirPods, so stick around if you're after a one-stop powerhouse for charging your Apple devices. Back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the Benfei 3-in-1 magnetic wireless charger and USB hub. Yeah, USB hub with HDMI, power delivery and USB 3.0 ports. I mean, it's a perfect traveling companion, I'd say. Now, before we get into it, Benfei reached out to me and asked me to take a look at this magnetic charger in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and we have a nice braided and what looks to be a high quality Type-C to Type-C cable. We then have the charger itself, which I'm going to place down here for a few seconds. And then guys, we have some instructions. So take a look at them, as this bad boy has a lot of features. Then guys, we have the charger itself. I mean, I keep calling it a charger, but you know what? That's just scratching the surface of the features this actually has. I mean, looking at it, well, it feels light, but at the same time also feels premium. On the top, you've got the wireless charging pad for your iPhone. Rotate it and you have the two USB-A 3.0 ports. Rotate it again and you have the host port, which you should connect to your computer. And rotate it again and you have the power delivery 100 watt port and a 4K HDMI port. So you know what? There's a lot of ports going on here. And this means you can connect this to your computer and extend USB ports and a monitor output, negating the need for another hub device, which you would need ordinarily, especially on devices like MacBooks, as there are no native USB-A ports. So guys, what exactly is the Benfei Magsafe 3-in-1 charger stand? Well, at first glance, it looks like a sleek, compact stand, but it's actually a wireless charging station for your iPhone, Apple Watch and AirPods. It's designed specifically for Apple users, so if you have the iPhone 16, 15, 14, 13 or 12 series, you're in luck. It uses a strong magnetic pad, which means that your iPhone snaps nicely into place with a satisfying click. No more fiddling with cables or worrying if your phone is charging. Just place the phone on the stand and it starts charging right away. You could also charge your Apple Watch and AirPods at the same time. Now, there are dedicated spots for each device, so everything has its place. And this is perfect for your nightstand, bedside table, whatever you like to call it, wherever you are in the world, your desk or even your living room. So no more messy cables or searching for the right charger. Everything is in one spot, and I've got to say, it looks clean and pretty well organized. Now guys, I travel and it's always difficult to pick the right charger, particularly if you have an Apple Watch as well, as most chargers are great for the iPhone and AirPods, but very few will charge the watch itself. I mean, I wish that Apple would sort this out, as why it's got a different magnetic setup to everything else, God only knows. But this charger is foldable and is ultra compact and supports all of my Apple devices. And when you're done, guys, you just fold it up and slip it into your pocket, and you know what? You're good to go with it. I mean, it's about the size of your palm, so it's not going to take up a lot of space. And this really does make it perfect for travel. Now, whether you're going on a business trip, a vacation, or just heading out for a few hours, you can bring it along with you easily. So no more carrying 3 different chargers and a bunch of cables. Just grab this one stand and you are good to go. I mean, it's also great for people that like a minimalist setup. If you want your desk to look clean and clutter-free, this is a great option. But there's more. The Benfei charger stand isn't just about charging. It also has an adjustable viewing angle of up to 60 degrees, which means you can use your phone in landscape mode or in portrait mode while it's charging. I mean, want to watch a movie while your phone charges? Just tilt it to the perfect angle. Need to join a video call or check your messages? Switch to portrait mode in seconds. The stand is sturdy, so your phone isn't going to wobble or fall over. And this is especially handy if you use your phone as an alarm clock or for FaceTime calls. You can always see your screen clearly without having to pick up your phone. Now guys, let's get into the really cool part, the USB hub. Like I said, it also has a hub to expand your laptop's capabilities. Let's say you're working on your laptop and you need to connect a monitor. Just plug in the Benfei stand and you get HDMI output at 4K resolution, which is up to 60 Hertz if you're that interested, right? I mean, that means you can enjoy crisp, clear visuals on a big screen, which is perfect for presentations or watching movies or just getting more screen space for your work. You also have 2 USB 3.0 ports, each with speeds up to 5 gigabits per second. So that's fast enough to transfer large files, connect a keyboard, mouse, or even an external hard drive. And guys, like I said, there's that 100-watt power delivery port, so you can charge your laptop while using the hub. No more choosing between charging and connecting your devices. You can do it all at once. And the hub is also plug and play, so you don't need to install any drivers or additional software. Just connect it to your laptop and you are good to go. This is especially useful if you work from different locations or use your laptop for both work and entertainment. You can set up your workspace in seconds without a mess of cables. So guys, there you have it. If you're someone who values convenience, organisation and versatility, this stand is worth considering. It's designed to make your life easier, whether you're at home or work or on the go. No more juggling multiple chargers and cables. No more messy desks or nightstands or bedside tables. Just one device that does it all. And at the time of this video going live, you could pick up this bad boy for only £35.99, which is pretty insane. I'll leave any product links and any discount codes in the description. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks for Benfei for sending me this very cool and useful magnetic charger hub to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.